In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Bass Pro Shop's website, www.basspro.com. Whether you're here to shop for outdoor gear or simply to explore what this renowned retailer has to offer, I'm here to guide you through the process with ease and confidence. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser. Once you're ready, type in the web address do.basspro.com into the address bar at the top of your screen. This will take you directly to their homepage, where you'll be greeted with a range of options and featured products. From the latest fishing gear to high-quality camping equipment, Bass Pro Shops is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, keeping in mind their promotions and seasonal offerings. Now, if you're planning on making a purchase or just wish to keep track of items you're interested in, you'll want to locate the cart feature. Direct your attention to the top right corner of the homepage. You'll notice an icon resembling a shopping cart. Go ahead and give it a click. This action brings you to your shopping cart page. Here you can view items you've added for later purchase. Remember, adding items to your cart doesn't mean you're committed to buying them. It's a convenient way to keep track of products you're interested in. While you're on the cart page, it's a good practice to double check the items you've selected. Make sure you've chosen the right sizes and quantities. If you've changed your mind about any items or found better alternatives, you can easily remove them from your cart. Simply look for the option or button that allows you to delete the unwanted items. As you continue shopping or browsing through the website, keep in mind that Bass Pro Shops also offers exciting deals and discounts. Be on the lookout for banners or notifications about sales events. These opportunities can help you make the most of your shopping experience by getting the best value for your money. Finally, a tip to enhance your browsing experience: consider creating an account if you haven't already. This process is straightforward and can save you time during checkout. An account also allows you to save wish lists, track orders, and receive personalized recommendations based on your preferences. And there you have it. Navigating the Bass Pro Shops website is simple once you know where to start. Hopefully, these straightforward steps offer a clear path to enjoying everything this outdoor retailer has to offer. Whether you're just browsing or looking to make a purchase, you now have the tools to move forward. Enjoy your digital trip through the exciting world of Bass Pro Shops.